Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Devaditto and today I am going to reviewing my Triad M7 right there. I am doing this review after my 1000-kilometer Puri trip. And now if you haven't watched my trip, I'll be putting the links in the description below. I have made my Puri trip in two parts. Part 1 is mainly focused on night riding and part 2 covers the whole of my trip. So if you're interested in mainly the vlog, go check out part 2. Now I know I said that I'll be making this video much sooner, but due to unavoidable circumstances it got delayed. Actually I came across a problem in my cycle and today I'll be talking about that as well, so stay tuned. Before we talk about the problem, let's talk about what is the best thing about this cycle. So according to me, the best part of this cycle is right here. Yeah, this is the best thing this cycle has got. And the second best thing I liked about this cycle is this Camrose hydraulic disc brakes. The frame is 18 inches in size and it is AL-Tech 6261, which is basically an aluminum alloy. The frame is sturdy enough because it withstood the whole of my journey from Howrah to Puri and back. So the saddle is high density PU foam saddle, and though it is the best saddle that I have used till now, but I believe that there are a lot of saddle out there which are much better than this. Both the tires in the front and back are Kendra tires. The grip given by it is pretty good. These are 29 inches tires and the maximum pressure it can withstand is 65 psi. The wheels are alloy wheels, and if you see from the close, the logo Triad is made here. They are alloy wheels, and so they won't get rust. So let's talk about the drivetrain now. So it is a 3x8 drivetrain and it has got Shimano Tourney in the front and Shimano Acera in the rear. The best thing about Shimano Acera is it has precise shifting and it doesn't lag while changing the gears. But as far as Shimano Tourney or the front derailleur is concerned, it lags a lot and it's not accurate all of the times. Means sometimes if you shift a gear, like if you shift it from here, there are chances that it will not shift to the desired ring. So that is a drawback I feel that, and obviously Shimano Tourney is therefore inferior to Shimano Acera. The suspensions are from Zoom and they have a 100mm suspension travel. They are pretty good, and the best thing about it is it has got both the preload adjuster and the lockout, which is mechanical. Now if you are wondering what these are, actually these are the handlebar ends that you see on those local Ranger cycles. I have covered them with a bike tube so that the diameter gets thicker and I can hold it easily. Actually these gives me another position. First is this, another is this, another is this. The another positive thing of these handlebars are they give me an aerodynamic position when I'm riding. These handlebar ends I actually bought it from Amazon. They are helpful because they just widens the place where I'll be putting my palm like this. So it is actually helpful because when I'm doing a long distance journey, the round handlebar puts more pain in my palms. So they are good, I'd say. As you know, you won't be getting these mud guards. I bought it separately, and the front one as well. And this is a light. Actually it is pretty decent light. If you have watched my video, my Puri trip, the brightest light is from this one, and it is also a power bank. You know, it has got 4000 mAh battery. Now let's talk about the problem that I faced. The problem is with this right hand side lever or the rear brake. Actually what happened is I took my cycle out for a ride at around the first week of December, and then I just kept my cycle at a corner of my home. It was just lying there. I didn't use it till the end of January, and it was just sitting there. And believe me, the last time I used my cycle, the brakes were working pretty fine. But that day when I took out my cycle, when I was hitting my rear brake, it wasn't just stopping. I just searched some YouTube videos and some conditions relating to the problem that I faced, and they said that the brakes needs to be blade. Means I have to open this screw here and then put a funnel in which I'll be putting the mineral oil. Then I have to keep on pressing this lever until bubbles stop coming out of that. Okay, so let me tell my view about this Camrose hydraulic disc brakes. They are definitely new to this market. I haven't seen them on the internet yet, but they're pretty decent. If you just omit what I am facing right now, the bleeding problem, I'd say they're pretty decent brakes, because throughout my 1000-kilometer journey they work pretty good. I mean, they have a very good stopping potential. You can easily do a stoppy, drifting and all. They are just good brakes. They are really good hydraulic disc brakes, but maybe I am the unlucky person. I got a manufacturing defect, but I think most of the hydraulic disc brakes needs this type of service every 6 months. So I'm not sure why this happened, because my front brake is acting perfectly fine. It's up to your choice whether you trust those Camrose hydraulic disc brakes or not. The pedals from Neko are really good. They are wide enough to give a comfortable footing, and they are really of good quality, because I haven't noticed a crack in them yet. As for the hubs, I haven't yet received any problem from them yet, and as well as the bottom bracket, they are working exactly fine. This is a part of the Shimano Tourney front derailleur. This is the screw that binds that cable, and actually it has got rust in it. Not this one, but this one has got rust in it. The chain is in pretty decent condition, but recently this is another problem that I faced is, suppose when I'm trying to pedal, the chain just slips teeth. I don't know whether it really slips or not, but it feels like the chain just got slipped from and just skipped a teeth or something like that. I don't know what or why this problem is causing, but if you do, please comment in the comment section and let me know what is causing this problem. And finally, the most important thing that I'd like to say you all is, please hit the subscribe button, because that will help grow the channel. Also, if any one of your friend wants to buy this cycle, please do share this video, because I hope they'll get a good idea of this cycle. If you like this video, please hit the like button and hit the bell icon as well. Thank you for watching.